Alright guys, sorry about that. Okay, let's see if we can get this girl started. Alright, shouldn't be too hard. I had it run not too long ago. Okay. There that was just a little quick start for you. Yeah. So, if you guys have any questions about the bike, if you think it's a bad bike, you want to ask me questions about it or anything, just leave it in the comments. Sorry about that. Bike's kind of high. I'm not used to driving or getting on them. So yeah, it's a nice little bike. I really recommend getting it. Uh, Thanks for watching. 250cc.